Hey guys, welcome back to Roshnara's World. We have Roshit on our channel who has recently cracked Capgemini software analyst profile, which is for 3.8 lakh per annum package. So he will share his complete journey. From starting with the how he applied and then the examination pattern and everything he'll be sharing till the interview process. So all over to you. He's from 2021 batch pass out. So all over to you, Roshit. You can start.
Hi guys, hello, welcome, and hi ma'am. This is Roshit. I placed recently in Capgemini. So the experience was good when placed in Capgemini. It was very good for me. When coming to recruitment process, I have applied through Pool Campus Drive, which is an online drive, which is Pool Campus Drive, and I applied and I have gone through the test, online test, which consists of gaming, aptitude, English, verbal, and all the sections. So we gaming, verbal, English, and aptitude. I have
Okay.
completed all the sections and gone through the test, and I have qualified to the test. After 1 month or after 2 months of clearing the test, I have got the interview mail that I am selected. Before 1 month only, I got the interview mail that I am selected for the next round. And after 2 months, I got the interview call. I have attended the interview. The interview was very good.
Initially, do you remember when did you apply?
In the month of June, I think so.
Okay, June you applied and now
June or
in
July.
okay, and now in October
Yeah.
you gave the interview, right?
No, no. In the September part, I have given the interview.
Yeah, go ahead.
September or August. August, I think so.
Okay,
Probably August.
okay, go ahead with the pattern first and then you can go ahead with the interview.
So first thing is there consists of four sections. Like one is aptitude. The first part is pseudocode actually. Pseudocode part, and many members will clear that pseudocode part. But coming to the toughest part is verbal in the Capgemini part. So when coming to the Capgemini, the verbal is very much tough.
Mhm.
So many members are cutted at this part only. And coming to the next round, and coming to the next part is gaming part, and next is psychometric questions
Yeah.
where we have to answer all.
Okay.
So if we clear a gaming part, almost we are done. And after that also, if the psychometric test is cleared also, so many members are rejected after that too. They are also not qualified after that too. So these are the parts of this online test.
Okay. So were there any kind of pseudocode here?
So pseudocodes are based on a Java part,
Mhm.
like inheritance, polymorphism, like the roots concepts, and some are from C.
Okay.
Some are based on pointers. Some most are from and or are based and or not based.
Okay. Okay. And how many questions were there approximately from each section? Can you explain a bit?
Like in the pseudocode part, there are 20 questions, and in the next verbal part there are 15 questions.
Mhm.
15 or 30 questions, I think so. 30 questions, I think so. And then coming to the gaming, there are a lot of gaming puzzles, like around six to seven gaming puzzles are there where we have to clear it, where we have to solve.
Okay. So were there any negative marking here?
No, any into marking. Like in the pseudocode part, means this is a sectional cutoff actually. If we clear if we clear pseudocode part, then we go to verbal part. If we clear verbal part only, then we go to gaming part, like that.
So like
If
step
we do
by
not
step.
clear, there only the test ends.
Okay. On the spot, they'll tell you in the screen
Yeah,
on
yeah,
itself that you didn't clear.
yeah. You didn't clear. The next section will not be available for you if you do not clear.
Okay. Okay.
There's a section wise cutoff.
Okay, great. So, Roshit, mostly, people struggle with the game-based test because I think
Yeah,
aptitude
yeah,
they
yeah.
do prepare for a lot of companies,
Actually,
but yeah,
in my scenario, what happened means I also know that most of the people struggle. That is a new thing. So that is a new thing. I will also struggle like I thought. And what happened means after English, many of my friends did not clear English round only. So I cleared the English round. I am very happy after that. I put in my mind that I should clear gaming also at any cost. So I took time. So I took time before completing it. Before completing the section, I took time.
okay,
So much time. 6 hours of time I took.
Okay, so
Before
is
English and
okay
game-based aptitude, I took 6 hours of time.
to
Like that, I
prepare and
prepared during
to
the test only. Like that, I prepared during the test only. I prepared, and I thought the test was gone. After that,
okay.
after 6 hours, I did not get the test. You are invalid. Like that, it showed. The test was gone. Okay, the Capgemini is gone. I got. I think so. But after that, at night, it unlocked again.
Okay,
When
okay,
I restarted my system, it unlocked again. I attended that, and I got the psychometric questions. And after that, we will be given a behavioral type paper to us, where we have
mm-hmm.
to clear that, and that's the psychometric test. And after that, based on the behavior, we'll be given the questions.
Okay, that those are our behavioral questions. So I think the weightage will not matter much in this type of
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
yeah,
yeah,
section. Great.
yeah.
Okay. So, okay, you took approximately 6 hours to prepare, or you actually thought that it will be available later on as well?
I thought actually it will be available. I thought so. So only I prepared. But after that, I fully disappointed. Like that, if it not available, it is not available. It is showing invalid. I fully disappointed. It is gone. I think so. But after that, when I restarted my system, it got at 10 o'clock. I wrote the test. At 3 o'clock, my test started. At 10 o'clock, I wrote the test. 10 to 11.
Okay,
That
fine.
that became in part.
Okay. So, any strategy or you had anything in mind that I have to prepare before appearing for Capgemini that about the game-based test?
So I do not have an idea on game-based test actually before going to the test. But when I gone through those 6 hours, I have prepared through YouTube videos like online first or you like some sites, and I have gone through it so many puzzles I have prepared. And after that, it is easy for me. What is the strategy there? What will be the puzzles and what type of puzzles are there? So it is easy for me. So I gone through it.
So, guys, basically, what Roshit is trying to say is, the key takeaway. So, mainly about the this game-based test, it is not necessary that you have to prepare for days, but it is an analytical thinking. You can say it's a quick response that how you are solving those puzzles. So, basically, in our day-to-day life,
But we
when
should have an idea before. We should have
exactly,
an idea before what type of puzzles are there in that. We should have an idea so that we can prepare.
exactly,
So
exactly.
that's preparation is enough.
Okay. So, yeah, move ahead with the next part. What happened next?
So what happened next means I've got a call that after clearing the test after 10 day after minimum 20 days 20 to 25 days I have got it that I have cleared the test. We'll be scheduling the interview very soon. They have sent the mail. And after so many days I did not got the interview call that from Superset platform it will be getting, but I did not get. So I mailed them again that I did not got the interview call and that I have cleared the test. You are told, but did not got the interview call. So it means they have again scheduled me that Superset interview call. Yeah, I have less than just I have less than 1 day to prepare for interview. And after that, I've given the interview. The interview was very easy. It was going just 20 minutes of interview. TR and HR both at the same time. So actually, it is at 12 a.m. to 12 p.m. actually. But my interviewer gave a call that it will be starting at 11 only.
Yeah.
So you should be present at that point of time. So he said that I got a mail also, and according to that I have prepared and I have got to that 11 a.m. And after that it is of 20 minutes only. I've asked only oops questions, and after that he said you are good, you should not you're enough good. So he said okay, you can go, we can move with the process. I will give an feedback to the HR. You'll be getting the mail like that, he said. And after that after 3 to 4 days I have got that on Superset platform. It was updated like
Okay.
offered will be offer status will be given on Superset platform. It was updated as offered, and after that, in the night only, after 24 hours, I have got a mail that I have selected. I got a letter of intent, and after that 1 month only, I got joining also.
Okay, great. And like you explained about the interview that they, asked the basic technical question like OOPS concept, etc. So, any other questions apart from this were asked?
Like there the schedule was very tight, I think so. So they did not ask us so many questions. They
Hmm?
have asked just two questions and they said you are good in the technical part, and also they are good. And in Capgemini there is a part like HR interview will be there actually, but there is no HR interview for me.
Okay, for you, it was a
So
combined one.
it was a combined one, so I did not got any HR mail also after that. I got directly selection mail.
Okay,
So that's what it.
that's great. And how did you prepare for interview?
So coming to the interview, I have prepared Scoops concepts. I have a book of Java.
Hmm.
So I have prepared a book of Java. So I prepared the Java one, and I'm good at Java also. So I prepared to that, and after that I have prepared DBMS interview questions, SQL interview questions, and coming to the OS some fundamentals like that I have prepared.
Okay, that's great that you prepared. I mean, for other companies as well, and your basics were strong basically. So that
Yeah.
confidence will automatically comes once your knowledge and basics are clear. So yes, any other strategy you want to share, or it was. I mean, what is the stage you are right now at? I mean, like documentation, you have accepted the LOI or what?
Yeah, I accepted the LOI before 2 months only. After that, we have to submit the documents, and after that, I got a joining date.
When is your
So
joining?
that's it. First joining was on August 28th.
Hmm.
Next joining was September. I have not joined at after that time. They have given again another joining date like September 10th.
Okay.
Now also October 7th they have given, but I am not able to join because I am having other offers.
Okay. And what about the this bond? Any type of bond is there in Capgemini?
Yeah. The basic problem with Capgemini is bond only. Means there is a 2 years bond, whichever MNC will not keep that bond, but being an MNC, they are keeping bond of 2 years.
Hmm.
So that's the not correct thing actually. I think so.
Okay, that's the reason
Bond
I
of
think
two
you
years.
will be selecting
Yeah,
other offers over
yeah.
Capgemini.
Means during training also they will give only 3.0 lakh per annum, and after that they will be given the 3.8. So six
Okay.
months training 3.0, and after that 3.8 will be given for as a
Okay.
full-time employee, and 2 years bond is there. So that's my preferred location as scheme, but I'm not choosing it because of bond itself. Yeah.
Okay, fine. So fine, Roshit. I think you explained very well about Capgemini. How was the test, the based pattern, and everything, the interview process. Thank you so much that you shared. So guys, I hope you understood how Roshit explained, and I hope you take the key points from this video which Roshit explained. So all the best, guys, and yes, all the best to Roshit as well that you have lot of
Thank you.
other
Thank
offers as well on place so that you have a choice and yes you grow whichever offer you select as soon as yeah.
you. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you very much.
So till then guys, don't forget to subscribe the channel for the latest updates. Till then, have a great day, be safe, take care, bye.